Welcome back to Bike Reviews Pro, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in motorcycle technology. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated superbikes of the year, the 2025 Yamaha YZF-R1. With cutting-edge updates, refined electronics, and race-inspired DNA, Yamaha continues to push the limits of performance on two wheels. Design and aerodynamics. The 2025 YZF-R1 maintains its aggressive MotoGP-inspired look, but with sharper lines and new aerodynamic winglets seamlessly integrated into the fairing. These not only enhance stability at high speeds, but also give the R1 a more futuristic, track-ready appearance. New color options and finishes, including a matte stealth gray and a bold metallic blue, make it a visual standout. Engine and performance. At its heart, the R1 still carries the 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 CP4 engine, but it's been fine-tuned for even smoother power delivery and better mid-range torque. The Crossplane crankshaft ensures that signature Yamaha feel, linear, torquey, and razor-sharp, while the peak horsepower remains near 200. Improvements in throttle response and efficiency make the 2025 model even more thrilling on the road and track. Electronics and rider aids. Yamaha steps up the game with an updated 6-axis IMU and refined ride modes. The traction control, slide control, launch control, and engine braking management are all more precise, offering a safer yet more customizable ride. A new 6.5-inch TFT display adds smartphone connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and a more intuitive interface. Chassis and handling. The Delta Box aluminum frame is unchanged, but subtle tweaks to the suspension settings and revised weight distribution give the 2025 R1 sharper handling. The fully adjustable KYB suspension and Brembo braking system deliver confidence-inspiring feedback whether you're carving canyons or chasing lap times. Final thoughts. The 2025 Yamaha YZF-R1 doesn't reinvent the wheel, but it polishes every edge of an already near-perfect machine. With smarter tech, refined performance, and that unmistakable R1 character, it remains a top-tier contender in the superbike class. Outro. Stay tuned with Bike Reviews Pro. That wraps up our look at the new Yamaha YZF-R1. What do you think of the updates? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review. This is Bike Reviews Pro. Ride smart, ride fast.